Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to cancel Netflix subscription. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening your web browser and log into your Netflix account. You can also do this on your mobile phone, whether it's your Android or your iOS. Since I'm doing this on my desktop, let me type in www.netflix.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Once you're in, from your home screen, go and click on your profile icon at the upper right. This will open up an expanded menu. Click on Account and from your account page, click on Cancel Membership. Confirm your cancellation by clicking on Finish Cancellation, and that is how you can easily cancel your Netflix subscription in a simple few steps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.